Just as the physical body requires regular cleaning and maintenance, so does our energetic being. Throughout our lives, we accumulate emotional baggage, negative experiences, and toxic energies from both internal and external sources. Cleansing your energy is a transformative practice that allows you to release these burdens, renew your spirit, and welcome positivity into your life. Imagine your energy field as a beautiful and vibrant aura surrounding you. Over time, this aura may become clouded with negativity, causing you to feel drained, stressed, or emotionally burdened. Cleansing your energy is a way to restore the brilliance of your aura, bringing back balance and harmony to your mind, body, and soul. To begin the process of cleansing your energy, find a quiet and peaceful space where you can be undisturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you breathe, feel the weight of the world lifting from your shoulders with each exhale. Visualize a soft, glowing light enveloping your entire body. This light represents pure, positive energy and is a powerful force of healing. As you continue to breathe, see this light penetrating every cell of your being, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Now, imagine a gentle stream of warm water flowing over you, washing away any negative emotions, thoughts, and attachments. With each drop of water, feel yourself letting go of fear, anger, and sadness. Release any grudges or lingering pain from past experiences. Allow the water to cleanse your energy, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. Next, envision yourself surrounded by a vibrant aura of colors that represent different aspects of positivity. Picture a calming blue for tranquility, a bright yellow for joy and confidence, a soothing green for healing and growth, and a warm, loving pink for self-compassion and acceptance. As you immerse yourself in these colorful energies, feel their uplifting and harmonizing effects on your entire being. As you continue this visualization, you might want to incorporate sound into your cleansing practice. You can play soft, calming music or natural sounds like flowing water or bird songs. Allow the harmonious vibrations of sound to resonate with your energy, further enhancing the cleansing process. During this practice, you might also wish to incorporate affirmations or positive statements to reinforce your intentions. For example, you could repeat phrases like, "I release all that no longer serves me," "I am surrounded by love and light," or "I am cleansed, renewed, and empowered." Remember that cleansing your energy is not a one-time event but an ongoing process. Regularly check in with yourself, especially during challenging times or after interactions with negative influences. If you feel your energy becoming clouded, take a few moments to visualize the cleansing process described above, clearing away any unwanted energies and restoring your inner balance. Additionally, consider engaging in activities that promote positive energy, such as spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness and meditation, surrounding yourself with uplifting people, and engaging in creative pursuits that bring you joy. By dedicating time and intention to cleanse your energy regularly, you will find that you feel lighter, more centered, and better equipped to navigate life's challenges. Embrace this practice of renewal and positivity, and watch as it transforms your life from the inside out. Your radiant energy will attract abundance, love, and happiness, creating a harmonious and fulfilling existence. As you continue on this journey of cleansing your energy, you'll notice that not only does it benefit you, but it can also positively influence those around you. When your energy is clear and vibrant, it has a way of uplifting and inspiring others, creating a ripple effect of positivity in your social interactions and relationships. As part of your energy cleansing routine, consider incorporating grounding exercises. Grounding is a technique that connects you with the Earth's energy, helping you feel more centered and stable. You can achieve this by standing barefoot on the earth, such as grass or soil, and imagining roots extending from your feet into the ground. Feel the earth's nurturing and grounding energy flowing up through these roots, stabilizing and anchoring you. Another powerful method to cleanse your energy is through the use of crystals. Crystals have unique energetic properties that can assist in absorbing and transmuting negative energies. Some popular crystals for cleansing include clear quartz, selenite, black tourmaline, and amethyst. Hold the crystal in your hand and set the intention for it to absorb any negativity or stagnant energy you may be carrying. You can also place crystals around your living space to help maintain a harmonious and balanced environment. In addition to visualizations, grounding, and crystals, you can cleanse your energy through physical activities that promote wellness and vitality. Regular exercise, whether it's yoga, dancing, jogging, or any other form of movement, helps release tension and stagnant energy from your body. Engaging in activities that you genuinely enjoy and that bring you a sense of fulfillment will contribute to your overall energy cleansing practice. Furthermore, consider integrating gratitude into your daily life. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your energy towards positivity. Take a few moments each day to express appreciation for the blessings in your life, both big and small. Practicing gratitude helps shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant, attracting more positive experiences and opportunities. It's essential to be mindful of the energy you allow into your space. Be selective about the people you surround yourself with and the environments you frequent. Negative or toxic influences can drain your energy and hinder your cleansing efforts. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and support you, fostering a nurturing and positive energy exchange. As you progress in your energy cleansing journey, you may find it beneficial to keep a journal to document your experiences and reflections. Journaling allows you to gain insights into your emotional patterns, track your progress, and identify areas that may require more attention or healing. Remember that energy cleansing is an ongoing process, and it's okay to have moments where you may feel overwhelmed or encounter setbacks. Be gentle and compassionate with yourself during these times. Embrace the journey with an open heart, as each step you take towards cleansing your energy will contribute to your overall well-being and personal growth. Incorporating these practices into your life will not only enhance your ability to cleanse and purify your energy, but it will also foster a deeper connection with your inner self. Embracing renewal and positivity empowers you to lead a more authentic, joyful, and balanced life. Trust in the process, and as you continue to cleanse your energy, you'll witness positive transformations that extend to all aspects of your life.